What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a really fun one. I know I'm gonna just do a kind of overview today, but stay tuned, subscribe, subscribe down there somewhere. Subscribe because you guys don't want to miss this if you guys looking to put an IAG 700 on the STI. So today we're working with my buddy Peter's cars, the 17 STI. The 17 STI, we're putting this IAG 700 lock block and also a bunch of other goodies, which I'm gonna go over those in a bit. But just to kind of give you guys a little rundown of what the IAG pretty much 700 stands for. If you guys don't know, it's pretty much a closed deck block with 1/2-inch studs and forged pistons, forged rods, bearings, pretty much the whole 9 yards on the short block, and also like a stage 3 head, I believe. I'm not quite sure what stage head this is, but I know it has like stage 2 cams, it has valve springs, so pretty much all the good stuff kind of make 700 horsepower reliably. But to kind of start it off, he went with the Killer Bee oil pan kit, which you guys see me do one of these. So I'm gonna post a video up here. You guys haven't seen it, but it's a Killer Bee oil pan with the pickup, the baffle, all the good stuff in there. He also went with the Tomei headers. These are good headers. I mean, anything equal length is phenomenal. I know it kind of kills the Subi Rumble, but honestly, I'd rather kill the Subi Rumble than the car. but yeah, so that's pretty much the long block that he got. Unfortunately, this motor that he has in here, it has Ringland failure. I will show you guys a little clip on literally all the white smoke's gonna come out of this. Pretty much what happened to mine. You guys want to see a video, kind of why it happened. Pretty much same thing that happened to me. So I'll post a video up here somewhere again. So yeah, just subscribe, guys. Just go look at my previous videos, and you guys will kind of get a little history on this. But anywho, now to get with the fun stuff. So to start off, we need to handle all that torque. So he bought the ACT flywheel, and then the ACT heavy duty, whatever the fuck it is, the more expensive one, the one before the 6-puck. I think it's like $666. It's that clutch with the flywheel combo. Also, he got the Turbo Smart Comp 40. It's from the Wastegate. I love these Wastegates because they already come pre-assembled with the springs on there, not like the tiles where you have to assemble them. But I mean, it's cool. And then also it's black. Also, he got the Grin Speed outpipe with external wastegate options again. See, the little dumb tube, the little scrim pipe, you know what I mean, jelly bean. Also, he got what's it called? He got the Aos Competition Conversion Kit, because as you guys can see, he already has the IAG Street Series. So we're gonna delete that part because, like I said, the more we delete, the better. So yeah, we're doing a competition series. Also we're also relocating the Aos to the middle, so the Aos is gonna go in the middle, just kind of like how I have it. What else? Oh yeah, he went with the Blausch Dominator 3.0 turbo, which is down here. I'm not gonna unpackage it because I'm not gonna get to it yet, but so subscribe if you guys want to see this turbo get installed. And like I said, I'm not gonna open any of this just yet until I put the motor together and ready to drop in. But for now, like, he has the ETS front mount, and then the CSF radiator. We got the NGKs 2309s. There it is. These are 1 step colder spark plugs, and I usually gap them to like 0.38. That's what my tuner gaps his cars to, so he told me just gap him there. So that's pretty much what the gap is already. But also, he got the OEM thermostat, ID 300s, injector dynamics 1300s for the fueling, and also all the timing belt over here, timing belt, and all the pulleys and tensioners and all that good stuff. As far as fuel system goes, he went with the Radium dual pumps, 2 340s inside there. In here, pretty much literally everything that's all the fueling system, I did it to my car. So this fuel system is ready for 800 plus. So if you guys want to go check that video up, I'll post it up here somewhere, the little icon somewhere. So go check that video out. I literally show you what you need in one video, and then on the other video, which I'll post right next to that video, I'll show you guys literally how to install it. So to kind of go with that, he got the iWire dual pump wiring kit. Like I said, I highly recommend doing this one because it's super plug and play and it's super easy for the tuner to tune it. So I recommend doing iWire. And then he got the IAG fuel rails and lines. What's under here? Oh, he also got the JDM 12mm oil pump, which is also highly recommended, especially if you're running, if you're running high power. I recommend doing the 12mm oil pump. So get to that, guys. What else? I think that's about it. Oh yeah, he has a 85 kit. Has an 85 kit already in here. I mean, like I said, he had pretty much kind of full bolt-ons at the time. He had, like, you know, intake downpipe, fucking headers, whatever. You name it, 85. Well, stock fuel rails, 1050s, green speed top mount. But now he's switching all this up to go big boy power. So I'm pretty sure with all this power stuff that he's doing, I'm pretty sure it's going to be over 500. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be close to 600. So stay tuned for that video, because I'm pretty once he's ready to go tune, I'm gonna have him send me a video. So stay tuned. So subscribe again, guys. I can't tell you guys are missing out. You guys are literally missing out on all this fire content that I'm getting for you guys. Also, I mean, if you guys been following for a minute and you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys seen that I'm selling my IAG Stage 2 long block for obvious reasons. Let's just say I'm not saying I'm going for the title, the fastest VA, but I'm going for a big power number. You know? Pretty much it, guys. So on this build, you know, I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited to actually be a part of this build and actually put it together and get it going, get it ready. Like I said, I'm hoping he makes 600. It'll be fucking. I mean, I'm pretty sure he'll be happy as shit now, and you know. And I'll be amazed on how much the Blausch 3.0 can handle. But yeah, if you guys looking for to make a little over, you know, 500, 600 horsepower, hit me up. I'll sell you guys that long block. Yeah, guys, I'm maxing out that turbo, guys. I had enough of, you know, pushing only minimal 26, 27 pounds. Now that you guys seen on my other videos that I literally have majority of the power mods to go over 600, 700 maybe, I'm gonna max that turbo out, see what the turbo can handle. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for that build progress. Also, another thing too, this gonna be like a two-part video. Well, not two-part, but it's gonna be two-part in one video, because I don't want to make this video kind of short. But also for the Honda, I'm just a big kid with, you know, bigger toys and expensive ass hobby. But I finally got the second motor. I went to go pick it up. It's under this towel. There's a second motor. This motor's been sitting for quite some time, so I'm not gonna slap this motor in and hopefully it runs. No, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that head off. I'm gonna take those cams off. I'm gonna rebuild the head, put some cams on there and whatnot. And then also I got a K24 coming in, well, bottom end K24. And then I'm gonna do pretty much a hybrid K24 with a K20 head. Cause if you guys are Honda guys, or you guys were into Hondas, you guys know that combination is good for doing that turbo kit on. So yeah, guys, we're doing big power stuff here. We're doing big power stuff on the EP3, on this car right here, on my car as well. This build series that I have coming up is gonna be intense, guys. I hope you guys are really ready for this, because most likely this car and my car are gonna get tuned at the same time. So you're gonna see both cars getting tuned. So. Yeah, I mean, literally, the other motor that I got coming is already on the way. So literally, I'm probably gonna slap this one on, then mine on. So stay tuned for this video, guys. Like I said, subscribe if you guys are new, if you guys want to see more build content. But yeah, I'm excited to slap this baby. I'm excited to slap this motor in there and hear those cams. I mean, even though with 272s, you never hear like a lopey. You won't hear like camming or anything. But on mine, I'm doing 280 cams on mine, so I'm hoping you'll hear a little chop, you know. Not like a Corvette, but I mean, it would be cool to sound like a Corvette, but I know that's never gonna happen. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much for this video. I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I'm literally fucking excited to do this build. Excited to do my build as well, and also, you know, I'm ready to break this motors in and fucking go get tuned, because like I said, big power, guys, big power. You know, like 500 horsepower is the new 300 nowadays in Subaru. So if you guys are under fucking 400, you guys are falling behind, guys. So you gotta step your game up. That's enough of me talking. Before I go, make sure you go check out my last 2 videos if you guys haven't done so, and also subscribe right here in this little circle down here. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out.